Does Battlefield 4 have split-screen multiplayer?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most frequently asked questions about the popular first-person shooter game, Battlefield 4. Does it have a split-screen multiplayer feature? For those who are not familiar, split-screen multiplayer allows 2 or more players to play the game on the same screen, usually from the same console or PC. It's a beloved feature by many as it allows for fun, local multiplayer sessions. Let's find out more.
What is Battlefield 4?
Battlefield 4, developed by EA DICE and published by Electronic Arts, is a first-person shooter video game that was first released in 2013. Known for its engaging single-player campaign and intense multiplayer mode, Battlefield 4 has been a popular choice among gamers worldwide. The game's multiplayer mode features a wide variety of maps and gameplay styles, offering an exciting, action-packed experience.
Does Battlefield 4 support split-screen multiplayer?
This is the big question, isn't it? The answer, unfortunately, is no. Battlefield 4 does not support split-screen multiplayer. The game's multiplayer is designed to be played online, over a network, with each player using their own gaming system and copy of the game. This allows for large-scale battles with many players, but it does not provide the option for split-screen local multiplayer.
Why doesn't Battlefield 4 have split-screen multiplayer?
Given the scale and complexity of Battlefield 4's multiplayer battles, integrating a split-screen feature would be technically challenging. The game's large maps, number of players, and the amount of on-screen action might make it difficult for a single system to handle 2 or more perspectives at the same time. Moreover, Battlefield 4 emphasizes on the online multiplayer experience, focusing on large-scale warfare with numerous players from around the world. So, there we have it. While Battlefield 4 is an amazing game with a robust online multiplayer mode, it unfortunately does not offer a split-screen multiplayer option. This means that if you want to enjoy the game's multiplayer mode with friends, you'll each need your own system and a copy of the game. We hope this video has been informative and helped answer your questions about Battlefield 4's multiplayer features. Happy gaming!